Welcome to TDS Online Math. Okay, so we are still on the application of Lambert W function. Okay, so we are given the left hand side as x raised to x equals to 2. Alright, so let's see how we can apply the Lambert W function. Okay. Alright, so on the left hand side is x raised to x equals to 2. So let's bring this power down. And before we can do that, we have to take log on both sides. Okay, so let's take natural log on both sides. Have x raised to x equals to natural log of that. Okay, so this x here comes per rule, therefore to come here. So we have x raised x ln of x equals to ln of 2 or natural log of 2. Okay, so let's apply the Lambert W function. Now with the Lambert W function, you have, let's say, x, okay, e exponent x. Now when we take Lambert W function of this, so something times e raised to that thing, so you get x. Okay, so we want to apply the Lambert W function here, but we need to adjust this in such a way that we get something times the e raised to that thing. So this e here is part of the natural log function. Okay, remember e then ln. So these are natural log function. When this e raised when this e raised this ln here, okay, so it will cancel. So e exponent, let's say ln of something is that thing. Okay, so this x here, now we want to make the back then the power here equal, so we need to support this x. Okay, and we know e raised to ln of x is x, so let's support this x here. So this one can be written as e ln of x times ln of x. Now we are doing this because we want to take Lambert W function on both sides. So in going back, this one is the same as x. So let's arrange this one well. So this one is the same as ln of x times e raised to ln of x equals natural log of 2 or ln of 2. Okay, so let's, now that we have what is here and what is there equal, we can apply, or we can take the Lambert W function. So let's do that. So Lambert W function, so let's do same here, ln of 2. So guess the answer. So this side becomes ln of x equals to Lambert W function of ln of 2. Now we have the x. So how do you solve for x? You know, when we raise this one with e, I will left with x. So let's take e on both sides by raising both sides. Okay, so taking that, so we have e raised x equals to e raised Lambert of that. So this and that, we have left with x. So the answer is e Lambert 2. Okay, now when you plug this one in, okay, Wolfram alpha. When you enter it here, you get the exact value. Okay, so we have, when you plug in the answer, that is e raised to Lambert W function of ln of 2. So when you plug in this, you get the exact value of this. All right, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos. All right.